So I'm here at the Great Canadian Oil Change, and I'm doing the oil service. They're draining the oil right now. And these are the sensors. The current sensor readings are being pulled. You can see my raw oil level's gone down to 18. But I can't start the car, obviously, because there's guys working on it. Yeah, like just a paper towel or something, like, sure, no worries. I'll come back when we get our baseline for a fill up. All right, so we did the oil change. I put in a new filter, 6 quarts of Restore and Protect. Well, what is it? It was 5 quart plus 1 quart of Pennzoil 5W40 because I didn't have enough to make the full 6 quarts. Anyways, the majority is Valvoline Restore and Protect, and then I put in the remainder of Pennzoil Euro 540 into this mixing jug, and he put it in for me. We measured the sensor before, which is, I took a video of that, and it was down, the sensor went down to 18 millimeters or something, but I couldn't run the car, so I don't know if it was pulling data. Anyways, it's about 5 kilometers, well, 5 kilometers from the oil changing place. They topped up all my fluids and did the tires as well, so that's a bonus. I like those guys. These are the static values after the car's been running a little while. Everything is pretty much flatlined here. So when you get your oil change with 6 quarts, now BMW's TIS, Technical Information Service, says oil pan capacity is 5.5 liters, which is just below 6 quarts. But there is an oil canister, and I had them drain it completely. I asked for a little extra time for them to drain it, and they did, so that's another added bonus. And then I get a coupon too for like 10 bucks off, so I had a pretty good deal on my oil change today. So yeah, those are the values. If anybody's curious about the BMW N20 all-wheel drive xDrive, oil capacities are stated in the TIS, which the two-wheel drive is 4.7 or 4.8 liters, and the all-wheel drive is 5.5 liters. There's a difference there, and some people are only putting in 4.1 jug, which is so there's 5-liter jugs, and there's 4.7 liter quart jugs. So yeah, sometimes you put in not enough. In this case, we're at 6 quart, and these are the static values. So you should see these numbers on the sensor when you have a full oil sump of oil. This is generally what you would see. This bounces around from 77 to 76. But yep, we're all good here. I wanted to publish the baseline sensor data for anyone who's curious, and then for me to look back on just for reference. Thanks for watching.